right, so now we're on Wednesday night's homework. What we're doing is we're combining all integer rules and we're mixing it in with order of operations. So, since we already reviewed combining integer rules on Monday, we reviewed dividing integer rules on Tuesday. Let's go ahead and let's review order of operation rules. Remember, we use PEMDAS. And remember, PEMDAS stands for parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. But remember, multiplication and division we take from left to right. Addition and subtraction we take from left to right as well. Alright, so the first thing I see inside my parentheses is an exponent. So I'm going to take care of that first. So I always underline what I'm going to take care of. So this, I have a -4 base and an exponent of 3. So I know I'm going to take -4 times -4 times -4. Okay, and again, I'm going to take that step by step and I'm going to work it out. -4 times -4 is a positive 16. Remember, a negative times a negative gives me a positive solution. Then I'm going to take 16 and multiply it with a -4. And I get -64. Now I'm going to leave the -64 inside parentheses because I'm not done with the parentheses yet. And I'm going to drop everything else down that I did not underline. So we're going to have times -2 divided by 4 minus 62. Alright, I am still not done with my parentheses, so I am not going to take that out. So now I'm going to underline my parentheses, what I'm working on. And we have -64 times a -2. So let's go ahead and let's see what 64 times 2 is. We get 128. And remember, a negative times a negative is a positive. Then I'm going to bring down everything else. I have it marked down. Okay. So we're done with the parentheses. We already took care of the exponent inside the parentheses. And now I see that we're down to division and subtraction. So I'm going to change color. And I see I need to divide first. So I need to take 128 and divide it by 4. So you should be working this out. And then we see, let's put a little x so we remember to multiply. 4 times what gives me 12. So we know 3. Bring down your 8. 4 goes into 8 twice, so 4 times 2 is 8, and I didn't leave myself enough room, but we zero out. So now we get 32 subtract 62, and that's my last step. So I'm going to use my combining integer rules now, and I see I have a positive 32 with a -62. So I see there are more negatives than there are positives. So I put a negative, and then 62, because they're opposite signs, I need to make sure that I'm actually subtracting the numbers. And we already know that 62 minus 32 is 30. All right, go ahead and do 10, 11, and 12 on your own tonight.